Hey everyone, welcome back to Python for Beginner series, and this is going to be our video number 19. And here is our question, that is, write a Python program that generates a random integer between 1 and 10 and then prompts the user to guess the number. The program should tell the user whether their guess is too high or too low, and then allow the user to guess again until they correctly guess the number. So this is going to be our number guessing game. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this question. So I have already created the file, that is number guessing. Import random. Let's use number as a variable equal to random dot rand int. Okay, so we want the number from 1 to 10, and this rand int method will return the random integer in range including both endpoints. Let me write it here, that is, generate a random number between 1 and 10. Okay, now we'll use the guess variable. We'll use int input. So we are dealing with the numbers, that is the reason we are using the int function. Guess a number between 1 and 10. So let me write the comment here, that is, prompt the user to guess the number. Now we will use the while loop. Guess is not equal to number. Okay, sorry, it should be colon. Okay, so if guess is greater than number, print your guess is too high, try again. Else print your guess is too low, try again. And after that, guess equal to int input, guess a number between 1 and 10. So what we are doing here, like in the while loop, we are keep prompting the user to guess until they get it right. Okay, if the guess is too high, okay, if the guess is greater than number, so the guess is too high, else your guess is too low. Okay, and we keep prompting the user to guess the right number. Okay, and once he or she get the right number, we're gonna print it. You guessed it, the number was, we have to write the number variable. Okay, so let's save the file and run the code. Guess a number between 1 and 10. Let's say 8. Your guess is too high. Okay, let's say 5. You guessed it, the number was 5. Okay, let's try again, and at this time I'll use 1. The guess is too low, try again. So let's say 5. The guess is too low. Okay, let's say 8. Okay, the guess is too low, it is not 8, so maybe it will 9. You guessed it, the number was 9. Cool. Let's run the program again. Actually, I'm enjoying it. So 10. Your guess is too high. Okay, so 7. Okay, it is too high, the 7 is too high, so let's say 4. Guess is too low, so maybe it will be 5 or 6. Okay, let's write 5. Your guess is too low. Okay, so I think it is 6. Okay, you guessed it, the number was 6. So just give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like it. If you did, then please share this video with your friends and your colleagues, and make sure that you guys are subscribing to my YouTube channel. We'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and keep learning. Bye bye.